Not a drag race yet, but an acceleration test. On a closed highway road, side by side, watch the Callaway Colorado ZR2 SC410 beat the Dodge Ram Hemi from 40 to 90 miles an hour. Both are four-wheel drive crew cabs. The Dodge Ram 1500 crew cab with the legendary Hemi 5.7-liter V8 up against the Chevy Colorado ZR2 with the 3.6-liter V6 engine, plus now the available Callaway power with the Callaway SC410 Supercharger system. The Dodge Ram Hemi is given a little bit of a head start for the camera view, but upon acceleration, you can see the Callaway Colorado SC410 pulling away. The Callaway Supercharged SC410 system for the Chevrolet Colorado or GMC Canyon is available now on your current Colorado or Canyon or from your dealer on a brand new Chevy Colorado or GMC Canyon. Engineered by Callaway and installed by Callaway technicians in our California or Old Lyme, Connecticut locations, this retains the full factory warranty. To get a V6 pickup with V8 power, call Callaway today, 866-927-9400.